it's Chris and Brandon from the Tech Department with your Digital Media Minute.
If you're looking for fun classroom management tricks like sorting students into groups or a random name picker, stay tuned. Flippity is the name and Google Sheets are their game. Let's take a closer look. Here we are at flippity.net, and you can see all the templates they have ready for you to edit and make your own. My personal favorites are the random name picker and progress indicator, because what kid doesn't love a little healthy competition to keep their attention?
So here's how it works. After you choose the one you'd like, you make a copy of the template. And your template will look like this. It's a Google Sheet. You can replace their random data with your own, and be it a student or course-related content. And after you're done with that, you'll go up to File and say Publish to the Web. The tab, once you've published to the web and said OK, there'll be a tab at the bottom of the page where you can access your Flippity link right here. So now you can share your Flippity.
It's really that simple. Bookmark it for regular use or have it on hand for a substitute. Have fun trying out all the different Flippities, and as always, thanks for joining us for our Digital Media Minute, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel or join our Google class with code P1F86TZ.